What's up, everybody? This is Chris from GearAmerica, and this is Tabletop Tech Specs. Welcome back to Tabletop Tech Specs. Today we're going to be talking about the GearAmerica aluminum ULTRA Shackle hitch receiver bundle. So what this is it comes with our GearAmerica ULTRA hitch receiver plus the ULTRA Shackle, and this is all aluminum. All aluminum, you say? Can it be that strong? Absolutely. So this has a 10,000 pound workload, both the shackle holder and the shackle. It'll never rust, and it's super secure. Not only because you're tying it into the most secure towing point of the car, the best recovery point, your hitch receiver, but also because it's full of anti-theft technology. First off, it's got the Uber lock. What this is a reverse threaded cap. See, I'm going righty-tighty here. I'm tightening it, but it's actually loosening the cap. So that cap comes out, it screws right into the shackle pin, but it's reverse threaded. So when you try to loosen the pin on the main side, it just backs up against it. So we'll put this back in and I'll show you. Going left, but it's actually tightening down, being reverse threaded. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way, but I'll show you here what I'm talking about. So if I go to this side and I try to loosen this up, it's not going anywhere because it backs itself out against the Uber lock. But we also include a 5/8 inch hitch pin here with a lock on it. So you're safe at this end from theft and at this end from theft. Not to mention, with the Uber lock technology, this pin will never rattle out and you'll never worry about losing your shackle somewhere. Now let's talk about strength. This shackle has a 5-ton workload. That's 10,000 pounds. Now let's talk about the competitor. This guy here has a 9,000 pound workload, and it's steel. And oh my gosh, what is that, rust? I mean, this thing is super heavy, kind of steel box with spider webs and rust and ugly. Makes a ton of noise and is just outdated technology. This is quiet because it comes with a couple of isolators so you don't have as much banging and clanging. It's light and it's strong. So this is stronger than the competitor. The hitch receiver mount is drilled in both directions. So if you want to run it vertically or horizontally, you have that option. Now let's just break out the trusty scale here. I got my little kitchen scale here. Let's see, we'll turn it on. We're set to ounces. Now let's take a look at the competitor. 99.1 ounces. That's like weightlifting when you put it on. Let's take a look at the GearAmerica setup. 54.75. This weighs half as much as the competition, and it's stronger, and it's covered by our lifetime hassle-free replacement warranty. So do yourself a favor, get the lighter, the stronger, the safer one, the GearAmerica aluminum ULTRA Shackle hitch receiver bundle. The package includes your Uber lock key, your hitch pin, the ULTRA Shackle, and the receiver shackle mount. It's all included in one package. And like I said, it's covered by our lifetime hassle-free replacement warranty. Plus, 10% of every penny you spend with GearAmerica goes to helping kids at the St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified every time a new product comes out, new tabletop tech spec, a cool run, recovery, or any other interesting thing that's coming out from GearAmerica. So that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. For GearAmerica, this is Chris signing off, and as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.